Are you trusting AI chatbots with your health questions? New research shows half of their medical answers are wrong. Find out why this matters now. According to a study reported by CIDRAP, artificial intelligence chatbots provide inaccurate or poor answers to medical questions in about half of all cases. This means if you ask an AI about symptoms, treatments, or health advice, there is a 50% chance the information you receive might be wrong or misleading. This alarming statistic raises concerns about relying on AI tools for critical health guidance. This issue primarily impacts patients and caregivers who turn to AI chatbots for fast medical information, especially during times when accessing doctors is difficult. People might use AI for initial diagnosis or treatment options, but with half the answers being incorrect, this can lead to misinformed decisions, delayed care, or even dangerous health outcomes. The convenience of AI is tempting, but potentially harmful without professional oversight. The study highlights that AI chatbots struggle because medical knowledge is complex and constantly evolving. Their training data may lack the latest research or nuanced clinical understanding. Additionally, AI systems often cannot interpret symptoms in context the way human doctors do. This gap in understanding leads to frequent inaccuracies, making AI less reliable for medical advice than many people expect. Medical professionals emphasize that AI chatbots should not replace consultations with healthcare providers. Experts warn that while AI can assist with general health information, it cannot diagnose or treat patients safely on its own. They urge users to verify AI-generated advice with licensed medical professionals, especially for serious or urgent health issues. Given these findings, you should be cautious when using AI chatbots for medical questions. Treat their answers as starting points, not final diagnoses. Always seek medical advice from qualified health providers before acting on AI-generated information. Being aware of AI's limitations can help protect your health and prevent dangerous mistakes. The takeaway is clear. AI chatbots are not yet reliable for medical advice, with half their answers being wrong. Your health deserves more than guesswork. Stay informed, consult your doctor, and use AI tools cautiously. Subscribe to Daily Q&A for trusted updates on tech and healthcare.